Hello all and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll dive into PyCharm, your one-stop shop for a streamlined Python development experience. We'll explore the clean interface, set up a new project from scratch, and write a simple program to see PyCharm's magic in action. So whether you're a Python beginner or looking to boost your coding efficiency, hit that subscribe button and join us as we unlock the power of PyCharm. If you want to create a new project in PyCharm, you just need to click on the top left corner in File and click New Project. You can navigate inside your files in PyCharm project and create a new project. We will create a new project called Python Tutorial 2. Inside the new project, you can create a new file just by right-click inside the file on your left. You can see you have a lot of choices such as JavaScript, HTML, etc. We will create a new Python file. Let's name it Hello Python. Now we are ready to write our first lines of code. Print statement, and inside the quotation marks, the text we want to print. Let's write Hello World, the typical first line of code for all languages. Now to run the code for the first time, you just have to right-click and click on Run.